Thanks for watching and welcome back. This one is for Horsemanship 101. Here, we'll try speaking to this mic here. This is just a cheap little headset, so hopefully the sound isn't too bad. This video was requested by Horsemanship 101, and he just got a CNC machine, and he was curious how I used a 1/4 inch or an EndMill for an area clearance, and then also Vcarve. So I'm going to show him how I set that up. So this dimensions don't matter, whatever. Just I'm going to go with those in there. Okay, first you got to start with a box or a circle or something. So let's just do an oval. Boom. Oh, okay, we're going to go with a rectangle then. Maybe. Rectangle. Okay. Now, you can use text in a box. Doesn't really matter. First, I'm going to center the rectangle. Then I'm just going to type area clearance. Oops. I'm not making this. I'm just. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. F9 to center, and I'm going to shrink it down so it'll fit in the box. Okay, and like I said, it doesn't have to be rectangle. It can be oval. It can be circular. It can be whatever. Just remember that the bigger you do, the more it has to clear out. So, okay, now this is where the trick is. Okay, if you just go to the Vcarve Toolpath here over on the right, see Vcarve Engraving Toolpath. Okay, if you just have the lettering highlighted and calculate, okay, right now we got 1/4 inch plunge depth or flat depth, 90 degree V-bit, and we'll use a 1/8 of an inch EndMill. And then if you just calculate that, okay, because I had a flat area tool, it wasn't needed. It's just carved. Okay, what you got to do is you got to shift, and now you selected the box also, right? So click your box, hold shift, click your text, click on Toolpath. I'm just going to delete this. You can actually edit it, boom, and then you can fix it from there. But what I'll do is just to show you, delete. Okay, we're going to go back to the Vcarve. Okay, start depth is just the top of the material. Oops. Flat depth, we're going to take our Vcarve down 1/4 of an inch. We're using a 90 degree V-bit, and we're using an 1/8 of an inch EndMill. You could do a 1/4 inch. It's just up to you how fine you want it, but it will take longer with an 1/8 of an inch. So, and then you just calculate. Oh, well, my vectors came out highlighted there. Shift, boom, and now we're going to calculate, reset, preview. There's the raised text, and now we can see this right here. Where's the animate thing? Pocket. Let's reset this and I'll show you. There's the pocket. That's what it's going to look like after you run your first toolpath with the 1/8 inch EndMill. And it's going to take, I find it generally takes a little bit less. Is it less than or just slightly? It's like right around half of whatever this says when I have it set at the feet of 100 inches per minute. And then I have the Vcarve. It's going to take 10 minutes, which I'll show you what that toolpath's going to do. Preview. Boom. There, you're done. That's all there is to it. And like I said, you can change this. Delete. This can be an oval. Oh wow. Let's go ahead and undo that. Control Z. F9. See, now what we'll do is we'll highlight it all. Close that out. Boom. And we'll edit, and you can just edit either one of these, right? It will automatically adjust all of them. See, so we still got our 1/8 of an inch EndMill.
I get an underwear.
Okay, honey. Oh, wait, no. It came undone. I gotta go back and edit this again. Edit. Close. Let's do this. See, the oval came unhighlighted because I clicked on the edit. Just delete it. Reset preview. Boom. You can do any shape you want. Just the trick is you just have to select the area and then the text inside the area, and you're good. That's all there is to it. I hope this answers all your questions, and if you have any more, put them in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a great day till the next video. I'm out.
I'm gonna go get